everyone, my name is Rachel and welcome to OCuSOFT. Today we're going to be going over how to use Retaine HPMC. Retaine HPMC will help soothe irritated eyes using a preservative-free solution resembling your natural tears. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to see all of our amazing videos. So now, let's get into how to use Retaine HPMC.
First, remove the plastic lid covering the tip of the container. Next, with the dispenser tip pointing down, push the bottom of the bottle firmly to dispense 1 or 2 drops to your eye. Repeat the same step for the other eye. If needed, make sure to prime the bottle before use.